नाव ज्ञानेश्वर पारके, हांव अनसोल्या रावता. आमचो एकूच मत की गव्हर्मेंटान आपलो डिस्ट्रिब्युशनरी पावर यूज करून हो रोड बेगीतल्या बेगीन स्टार्ट करप. जो पर्यंत रोड जायना तो पर्यंत आमी वोट करचे ना. नो रोड नो वोट.
पेपराचेर न्यूज बी येयल्ली की तुमी वोट घालचे ना, आमकां रोड ना जाल्यार. आयज तुमची कलेक्टरान मिटींग आहली. तुमी गांवांतल्या लोकांनी कितें डिसिजन घेतला सद्या आनी तुमकां कलेक्टरान कितें एश्युरन्स केलें?
म्हाजें नांव अल्ताफ आसा, अनसोल्या रावता. कलेक्टरान आमकां आश्वासन दिल्लें आसा की आपूण फायल फुडें हें करता, पण आमकां दिसना ती फायल फुडें जायत आनी रस्तो हो जायत म्हणून. कित्याक आतां कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट लागून ती म्हणटा आतां मे म्हयन्याच्या नंतर आमी कितें करता. ती नंतर म्हटल्यार सोलिंग जातलें आनी रस्त्याक डांबर पडटलें. ती म्हाका आनी 6-7 वर्सां अशे म्हयने वयतले. ताका लागून आमचें डिसिजन गांवाचें कितें आहा, आमी वोटींग करपाचें ना म्हणून.
There were media reports also and our own internal report that in part number 35 of Korea constituency, the voters have decided not to cast their vote in mark of the poor quality of roads in their village. So when this report reached us through the deputy collector and the Mamlatdar, basic inquiry was conducted to find out the reasons, and when it was reported that it is because of the poor quality of roads and that the work has not started yet, people were planning not to cast their vote. So an effort was made today to meet them, to make them understand that the process of laying of the road has already started. PWD has prepared the estimates, the administrative approval, after the administrative approval, and the file is being processed for expenditure sanction post tender. But since the model code of conduct is already in place, no new work can start. Hence there is no progress at the moment in this work. So I have tried to explain this to the people. I have tried to tell the voters that because of the model code of conduct, no new work can start, and hence there is no possibility to start the work with immediate effect. However, for emergent works, there is a provision of putting it through the screening committee, which can recommend the further process of the work. So we will take up this matter with the PWD department, and we will request the PWD department to see if this can be put up to the screening committee, by which the process can be quickened. So this I have explained it to the voters, and I will also follow it up with the PWD department. We have also made an appeal to the voters that voting is their right and that they should exercise their franchise, and this demand of the villages for a road will be taken care of.